Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Sir Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Sir here. My dear students, today I am going to discuss the solutions of model question paper, subject mathematics as per the reduced syllabus for the academic year 2021-2022. In today's class, I am going to discuss the complete solutions for each and every question with the detailed explanation. And I request all the students to note these instructions. These are the general instructions which has to be followed during the time of exam. Please take your pen and paper because we are going to solve each and every question in detail. Okay. First main, 4 alternatives are given for each of the following questions or incomplete statement. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. 8 into 1 is equals to 8. Total we have 8 questions. Each carries 1 mark. Total is 8 marks. First question. If a pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 in two variables have unique solution, then correct relation among the following is. As you can see here, please note down the points as these points are very important. They have given two linear equations, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, equation 1, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0, equation 2. And they said that both the solutions have unique solution. Okay, unique solution. So now you need to understand the properties of unique solution. Now, in case if this is one straight line, let me say this is one more straight line. When these two lines intersect with each other at a point, then such type of lines we call it as intersecting lines. We call it as intersecting lines. Is this clear? Concepts are clear? When we call it as intersecting lines, when two lines cross with each other, then such type of lines we call it as intersecting lines. Now as you can see, as these two lines are intersecting at a point, then they form a unique solution. Then they form a unique solution. The meaning of unique solution is one solution. Okay. And also we call such type of lines consistent. And also we call them as consistent. Remember, if lines intersect with each other, so they form unique solution and they are consistent. In case, remember, okay, now how can you identify? Suppose they will give here, maybe they have given the general form, but hope so they may ask you the other way question. They may give you some equation 1 and equation 2 and they will ask you to identify how many solutions it has. At that time, remember, okay, by seeing the nature of the graph, we told they have unique solution and they are consistent. And algebraically, if the solutions are intersecting or consistent, then a1 by a2 does not equals to b1 by b2. If this condition satisfies, then we call them as they are consistent, or they form unique solution, or they are intersecting lines. Okay, remember these three things about the line, solution, consistency, and algebraically how can you identify the solutions are consistent or inconsistent, or they form a unique solution or no solution. So this is the condition you need to remember. Any doubts? Is this clear? According to this question, option A is the right answer. a1 by a2 does not equals to b1 by b2. Now, how you are supposed to write the answer in your answer sheet? The solutions as follows. You have to follow the solution. Question number 1, main number 1, question number 1, option A, a1 by a2 does not equals to b1 by b2. You are supposed to write the answer like this. You have to write the question number, question main, question number, option along with the answer. Next we come back to question number 2. Next question number 2. the common difference of the arithmetic progression 100, 93, 86 and so on is, as we know very well, to find the common difference, okay, the preceding term, the difference between the preceding term with the succeeding term should remain same. It means that the difference between the next term with the previous term, it should remain same. For an example, let me say this is my first term A1, this is my second term A2, this is my third term A3. Okay, if we do A2 minus A1, it should be equal to A3 minus A2. आप सेकेंड टर्म से फर्स्ट टर्म को सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए तो उसको बोलते हैं हम कॉमन डिफरेंस, या थर्ड टर्म से सेकेंड टर्म को सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए तो उसको बोलते हैं कॉमन डिफरेंस. इफ यू आर टेकिंग दिस फर्स्ट, वी कॉल दैट फर्स्ट कॉमन डिफरेंस. If you are taking this second, then we call that second common difference. But here just they are asking you to find any one common difference. So we know the formula to find common difference, that is A2 minus A1. What is A2? 93 minus what is first term? 100. In 93 can you subtract 100? No. So minus 100 minus 93 is 7. So that the final answer is option D, minus 7. Question number 2. Option D, minus 7 is the correct answer. Next, question number 3. Next, question number 3. If the value of the discriminant of a quadratic equation is 0, then the nature of the roots are. As you can see here, they have given that the discriminant of a quadratic equation is 0. Okay, then what is its nature? This is the question. Now, as we know that the discriminant is denoted by the symbol delta or sometimes d. Okay, so the formula to find the discriminant of the quadratic equation, that is d square is equals to b square, d is equals to b square minus 4ac. This is the discriminant. Okay, now in case if d value, discriminant value is greater than 0, if the discriminant is greater than 0, then the nature of the roots are real and distinct. Okay, real and distinct. If the value of d, discriminant, if it is less than 0, then roots are imaginary. Then we call the roots are, what is the nature of the root? They are imaginary. If d is equals to 0, if the value of discriminant is 0, then we call that as roots are real and equal. Now according to this question, if the discriminant is 0, it means that if the discriminant is 0, if d value is 0, then the nature of the roots are real and equal. What is the nature? Real and equal. So which is the correct answer? Option B. Option B is the right answer. So question number 3. Question, what you are supposed to write? You have to write the answer in this form. Question number 3, option B, real and equal is the correct answer. Now let me solve question number 4. Next question, the value of cosecant 45 degree is. To solve this question, you should remember the trigonometric standard angles table. As we know that the trigonometric standard angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay. Now I'll just show you the short method. If the student who doesn't know how to remember this trigonometric standard angles, you can watch my video of trigonometry. Okay, you can search trigonometry in my videos where I have explained you the complete table. But here just I am showing you about sine and cosecant. Just you can write 0 and 1, then 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. For cosecant, we know that sine is the reciprocal of cosecant and cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. अगर से आप साइन के वैल्यूज को उल्टा करेंगे तो कोसिकेंट मिलेगा, अगर से कोसिकेंट के वैल्यू को आप रिवर्स करेंगे तो आपको साइन मिलेगा. Sine 0 is 0. If we write 0, if nothing is there in denominator, then you should assume 1 is there. If you reverse this 0 by 1, it becomes 1 by 0. What is 1 by 0? Not defined. That is infinity. Next, it is 1 by 2. If you reverse 1 by 2, it becomes 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means 2. 1 by root 2, if you reverse, it becomes root 2 by 1. Root 2 by 1 is root 2. Then root 3 by 2, it becomes 2 by root 3. Next, it is 1. Nothing is there means 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. According to this question, what was the question? The value of cosecant 45 degree. As we can see here, this is cosecant 45 degree is root 2. Correct? So what is the final answer? Option B, root 2. Cosecant 45 degree is root 2. So what you should write the answer? Question number 4. Option B, root 2 is the right answer. Now we have to solve question number 5. Next question. The distance of a point P of x comma y from the origin is. As we know that if suppose this is my origin, from the origin you are finding the distance with the point. Let me say this is somewhere point. This is P of x comma y. Now I want to find the distance from origin. Origin is 0 comma 0. Okay. Whenever you remember, let they give any coordinate from origin or origin to some point. If you want to find the distance, then what is the formula we use? This is the standard formula. What do we have? That is root of x square plus y square. Okay. If you want to find the distance between the point with the origin or from the origin, then the answer is root of x square plus y square. Number 5, option C. Answer is root of x square plus y square. Then question number 6. Next question. The empirical relationship between mean, median and mode is. Remember, this is the standard formula we have. 3 median is equals to 1 mode plus 2 mean. So this is the empirical relationship between mean, median and mode. Question number 6. Option D. The final answer is 3 median is equals to 1 mode plus 2 mean. This is the correct answer. Now let me solve question number 7. Next question. Which of the following pair of triangles are always similar? Option A, 2 isosceles triangle. Option B, 2 scalene triangle. Option C, 2 equilateral triangles. Option D, 2 right angle triangles. My dear students, one thing you need to remember now. Okay, आपको एक चीज इधर पे गौर करना है. You have to understand one thing here. He is saying that triangles are always similar. Okay. When can you call the triangles are similar? ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು triangles similar ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? See here. If you want to call triangles are similar, then it should satisfy 2 conditions. It should satisfy 2 conditions. What is that? The corresponding ratios should be proportion. Corresponding ratios are always should be in proportion, or the ratios should be equal. The corresponding ratios should be equal, and corresponding sides should be equal. It should satisfy these 2 conditions. आपको corresponding angles should be equal and corresponding sides should be in the same ratio, or they should be in proportion. For an example, let me take one small image. Let me take this triangle. Okay. Let me take one more triangle. Okay. Now what angle is here? Even here also it should be same angle. What angle is here? Even here also it should be same angle. What angle is here? Even here also it should be same angle. It means that angle A should be equal to angle D. Angle B should be equal to angle E. Angle C should be equal to angle F. This is called as corresponding angles are equal. If you want to call any triangles are similar, then the first important condition is the corresponding angles should be equal. And next, corresponding sides should be in the same ratio. Ratio means, for example, if you see a mountain, Suppose this is the shape of a mountain ABC. This is the shape of the one more mountain DEF. It is actually not one more mountain. Remember this. जब आप दूर से देख रहे हैं तो आपको इस तरह का फिगर दिखेगा. जब आप उसके पास में जाएंगे तो आपको इस तरह का फिगर दिखेगा. Are you getting? ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದು ದೂರದಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತೀವೋ ಆ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಆ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಈ ತರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ತರ? ABC ತರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವೋ ಆವಾಗ ಅದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ? DEF. It means that shape is same. Okay, you can see here the top edges are same, the left corners are same, the right corners are same. Only it is decreasing and increasing its size. Only sizes are varying but shape remains same. Understood? That is called as corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Example, if this is 2, then this should be 4. If this is 3, then this should be 6. Are you getting? Understood? Let me say 2 by 4, 3 by 6. Good. Are you getting? 2 ones are 2 twos are, 3 ones are 3 twos are. And next, if this is 4, then this should be how much? If this is 4, this should be 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are. As you can see here, the corresponding ratio is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Yes, this is called as corresponding side should be in proportion. Now, according to this condition, okay, इधर पे आप देख रहे हैं 2 है तो इधर पे 4 हो रहा है, इधर पे 3 है तो इधर 6 हो रहा है, इधर 4 रहा तो इधर 8 हो रहा है. What does it mean? In isosceles triangle, it is not possible because only 2 sides are equal here. Scalene triangle, it is not possible because all the sides are different. Right angle triangles also it is not possible. As you can see, if this is right angle triangle, this is one more right angle triangle. And this hypotenuse and this hypotenuse may not be in the same proportion. This and this also may not be in the proportion. This side and this side also may not be in the proportion. Got it? Angles may be equal, but sides are not in same proportion. So the correct answer is option C. 2 equilateral triangles. अब 2 equilateral triangles में आप देख सकते हैं the corresponding angles are equal, all are 60 degree, and you can see the sides are in the same ratio or they are in the same proportion. So question number 7, option C is the right answer. Question number 7, option C, equilateral triangles. 2 equilateral triangles is the correct answer. Next, question number 8. A cone is cut by a plane parallel to its base and the small cone that obtained is removed. Then the remaining part of the cone is what? See children, suppose this is my cone. This is the cone. Okay. Now what we are doing here, I am cutting this cone. As soon you cut this cone, then it forms in this way. Okay. If we cut the cone parallel to its base, then it's going to form in this part after cutting the cone. Now as you can see here, okay, a cone is cut by a plane. I am cutting the cone with a plane parallel to its base, then the small cone is formed. After cutting the cone. Okay, now I am removing this cone. The small cone which is obtained. Then the remaining part of the cone is this. So what we call this shape as, or what we call this part as, that is a frustum of a cone, is the correct answer. Is this clear? Good. So correct answer is question number 8, option A, a frustum of cone. This is the correct answer. Now let me solve the second main. Answer the following questions. Actually it is 8 into 1. They have given the printing mistake. It is not 8 into 2, 16. It is 8 into 1 is equals to 8 marks. So each question carries here 1 mark. Okay. Let me solve this question. Question number 9. In an arithmetic progression, the sum of first 4 terms is 20 and the sum of first 3 terms is 12, then find the fourth term of the arithmetic progression. How to solve this? Let me see. In an AP, sum of first 4 terms is 20. Sum of first 4 terms means S4 is equals to 20. And the sum of first 3 terms is 12. That is S3 is equals to 12. Then find the fourth term. They are asking you to find A4. Okay. Did you understood the question? Sum of first 4 terms is 20. Sum of first 3 terms. Sum of first 4 terms means A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 is equals to 20. This in short we can write as S4. Sum of 3 terms means what? A1 plus A2 plus A3. Are you getting? A1 plus A2 plus A3. In short I am writing this as S3. Now this is equals to 12. Now what is the question? Find A4. Find A4. Now what we can do here? Very simple. See here children. We already know that A1 plus A2 plus A3 is how much? How much A1 plus A2 plus A3? We have already done here. That is equals to 12. That is equals to 12. Now shall we substitute in place of A1 plus A2 plus A3 is equals to 12? Is equals to 12 plus A4 is equals to 20. 12 plus A4 is equals to 20. Then fourth term is A4 is equals to 20 minus 12. Did you understood? This is the data. You need to remember this is my data. S4 I have written as, after this you can write this A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 equals 20. Sum of 3 terms A1 plus A2 plus A3 is equals to 12. Now we know that A1 plus A2 plus A3 is how much? 12 plus A4 is equals to 20. We want fourth term, so A4 keep it as it is, 20 plus 12 come to the other side, it becomes minus 12. Then what we can write? A4 fourth term equals 20 minus 12, that is 8. So the correct answer is, what is the fourth term? Therefore the fourth term, the correct answer is what? Therefore the fourth term is 8. This is the correct answer. That's it. Copied on these steps. Did you understood? Good. Now let me solve the next case. Question number 10. If a pair of linear equations in two variables are inconsistent, then write how many solutions do they have. Now let me discuss few points related to this question. Now we know that when the two lines are moving parallel to each other, okay, they are not touching with each other, they are not intersecting with each other, okay. So when the two lines are moving parallel to each other, then such type of lines we call it as parallel lines. Such type of lines we call them as parallel lines. Case 1. How can you say they are parallel? It should satisfy the condition A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2, but they are not equal to C1 by C2. If this condition satisfies, then we call the lines are parallel lines. If the lines are parallel, then there will be no solution is formed. No solution is formed. If they doesn't form any solution, then such type of lines we call them as inconsistent lines, or we can call them as the solution is inconsistent. So you should remember this condition. The nature of the graph is this: they are parallel, they are moving parallel to each other, so we call them as parallel lines, and it should satisfy this condition A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 does not equals to C1 by C2. In that case, no solution is formed and we call them as they are inconsistent. Now what is the question here? They have asked, if a pair of equation in two variables are inconsistent, then write how many solutions do they have. Now what is the answer you should write? How many solutions do they have? Now only you should write the answer no solution. That's it. What is the final answer you should write? No solution. Is this clear? This is your question number 10. For question number 9, you should supposed to write the answer in this form. You can copy down these steps, and then we have solved question number 10. For question number 10, you can write the answer no solution. How many solutions do they have? No solution. Next, let me solve question number 11. Find the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 1. They are asking us to find the value of this. Let me solve this problem. Here the given question is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 1. They are asking us to find the value of this. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. That is the standard identity, plus 1. Okay. Sin square theta plus cos square theta को अगर से हम ऐड करेंगे तो उसका वैल्यू 1 आएगा. So 1 plus 1, the final answer is 2. Next question, number 12. A point P divides a line joining of points A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2 internally. Then write the coordinates of point P. Let me solve this case. See here, students. We have a line AB. AB is the line. The coordinates of A are x1, y1. B coordinates is x2, y2. Then we have a point which is called as P. So P is the point. P of x, y is the point. P of x, y is the point which is dividing the line AB. P is the point which is dividing the line AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. Now we want to find the value of P. We want to find the coordinates of P. Then what we should do? We have to use the formula to find the coordinates of P of x, y. That is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So this is the formula which we use to find the coordinates of P. So this formula is also called as section formula. Next, question number 13. Next question is number 13. State Pythagoras theorem. State it. Okay, it is just Pythagoras theorem. Let me see the statement of this theorem. So you are supposed to write the statement in this form. In a right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, okay, it is hypotenuse is a side name. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides. This is the statement of Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Children, one more important note I just want to tell you. Just a minute. As you can see here, we have solved this question number 9, correct? If you want to solve this, we have one more case, that is sum of 4 terms, sum of 3 terms they have given. They are asking you to find A4. In this case, you can solve this problem in other form also, that is an is equals to Sn minus S of n minus 1 terms. That is n value, you can take it as 4 because we need to find A4. A4 is equals to, in place of n we have substituted 4, here also 4, minus S, n is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. What is sum of 4 terms? 20. Minus, what is sum of 3 terms? 12. 20 minus 12 is 8. So therefore the fourth term is 8. So this is the other method which you can use to remember to solve this type of problem. Okay, but you should remember this formula. Got it? Good. Now let me solve the next problem. Next question number 14. In the figure, find the length of an arc AB of a circle center O if angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. Now they are asking you to find the length of an arc AB. As you can see, this is the length of the arc AB. Okay, we have to find this length. Okay, we have to find the length of this arc AB. What is its length? And they have given that angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. They have given this angle O is 90 degree when the radius is 7 centimeter. The radius of this is 7 centimeter. Let me solve this problem. So as we know that in the given problem they have given the angle, that is theta is equals to 90 degree, and they have given the radius 7 centimeter, and they are asking us to find the length of the arc. Length of the arc. To find the length of the arc, we have the formula 2 pi r into theta by 360. This is a standard formula you need to remember to find the length of the arc. Okay, that is equals to 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 7 centimeter into theta is 90 degree divided by 360 degree. Okay, now as we can see here, we can cancel these terms. 7 and 7, 0 0 get cancelled. 9 1s are 9 4s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 11s are, right? So here the final answer is 11 centimeters. Is this clear? Good. Now let me solve the next problem. Next question. Write the formula to find the volume of a cone. Okay. Formula which we use to find the volume of a cone. Volume of a cone is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. In short, we also write this as cc. If it is centimeter, that is centimeter cube. But right now just they have not given any units, just you can write cubic units. It's sufficient. Next question number 16. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 7 centimeter. Okay. Okay. To find the surface area of a sphere, we have the formula surface area of sphere is equals to 4 pi r square. That is equals to 4 into the value of pi is 22 by 7 into the radius is 7 centimeter, so 7 square can be written as 7 into 7. 7 get cancelled. 4 into 22 into 7. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8 into 7. 7 8s are 56. 6 5 carry. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 5 is 61. So 616. The unit is centimeter, so centimeter square. So that the value is surface area of sphere. The answer is 616 centimeter square. Hence now we have completed second main 2 mark question and answers. Now let me solve the third main. Third main, first question. My dear students, still if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, kindly do subscribe it and click the bell icon and select all. After watching this complete video, share this video with your all friends and also with your classmates. Still if you have not liked this class, you can click the like button. And a important note, The admissions are opened in our coaching center. We do have branches in Bangalore, Tannery Road and Shivajinagar. We do conduct classes from class 6 to class 12 standard, and also we conduct summer camp courses, certified courses for basic computers, abacus, Vedic maths, phonics, calligraphy and handwriting. If any students are interested to join for regular courses, online or offline, batches are available. Okay, and also we have just started the crash course for class 10 students, where we are going to cover the entire syllabus right from the first chapter. And also we do cover the important questions. We suggest you what to read and also what not to read. Okay, hurry up, limited seats. And you can forward this message to your other friends also. Now let's continue with the next problem. Third main, answer the following questions. You will be getting 8 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Total 16 marks. Let's begin. Question number 17. Solve the pair of linear equations by elimination method. Okay, as you can see here, they have highlighted. We have to follow elimination method. The equations are 2x plus y is equals to 3, 4x minus y is equals to 9. Come, let me solve this problem. The given equations are 2x plus y is equals to 9 is equals to 3, 4x minus y is equals to 9. Let me say this is equation 1 and let me call this as equation 2. As whenever you are solving two simultaneous linear equation, first you can check 2x, 4x, both are positive, plus y minus y, as you can see both are the same variables, y and y variables are same, opposite sign, so that what we can do, directly we can cancel. If we get in the equations direct variables, अगर से आपके variables same हैं और opposite sign है तो आप उसको directly cancel कर सकते हैं. You no need to change equation 2 as plus as minus, minus as plus. Okay, whenever you see same variables opposite sign, then you can cancel them. Now we are adding, plus y and minus y get cancelled. 2x plus 4x, it is 6x is equals to 3 plus 9, that is 12. So that x is equals to 12 by 6. 6 will comes down. 6 ones are 6 twos are. Therefore, the value of x is 2. We got the value of x. Now we need to find the value of y. In equation 1 and equation 2, you can compare these two equations, which is easy for you. The values are simple. The variables are simple. You can take any of the equation. Shall we take equation 1? Okay. Substitute the value of x. Substitute the value of x in equation 1. That is 2x plus y is equals to 3. 2 into the value of x is 2 plus y is equals to 3. 2 2s are 4 plus y is equals to 3. Therefore, y is equals to 3 plus 4 come to the other side, it becomes minus 4. Now, we can say that y is equals to, in 3 can you subtract 4? No, no means minus. 4 minus 3 is 1. So that the value of y is minus 1. Okay. After solving these two equations by using elimination method, we got the final answer of the values of x and y as x is 2 and y is minus 1. So this is the complete answer. Now here you can see there is a choice or. Okay. Show that the lines represented by linear pair of equations 2x plus 3y is equals to 1 and 5x plus 6y is equals to 2 are intersecting lines by comparing their coefficients. Here the question is, we have to show the lines as intersecting lines. They are telling that we have to show these two lines as they are intersecting lines by comparing their coefficients. हमारे को क्या करना है, उनके coefficients को compare करके हमारे को बताना है कि ये दो भी लाइंस जो दिया गया है वो इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस है. ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಅವ್ರ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ವಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆರ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟ್? ಯಾ, same question, we are solving the choice question. The given pair of lines or pair of equations are 2x plus 3y is equals to 1. Let me say this is equation 1. Then 5x plus 6y is equals to 2. Let me call this as equation 2. Now as we can see, it is in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Okay, as you can see, a1 is 2, b1 is plus 3, c1, where is c1? Here is no c1. It means that this is not there in the standard form. So what we should do, we have to bring this equation 1 to its standard form. That is 2x plus 3y plus 1 come to the other side, it becomes minus 1, that is equals to 0. Okay, even equation 2, 5x plus 6y plus 2 come to the other side, it becomes minus 2, that is equals to 0. It means that from this we can compare their coefficient. Here x is variable, 2 is the coefficient, y is the variable, 3 is the coefficient. So what is the value of a1? a1 is plus 2. What is value of b1? b1 is plus 3. c1 is minus 1. Similarly, a2 coefficient, that is 5. b2 is plus 6. c2 is minus 2. Now let me take the ratios of a1 and a2. That is nothing but a1 by a2 is equals to, a1 answer is 2, a2 answer is 5. 2 by 5. Can you cancel this 2 by 5? No, it is not possible. Keep it as it is. Now check b1 by b2. Take the ratios of b1 by b2. b1 is 3, b2 is 6. So 3 ones are, 3 twos are. The final answer of b1 and b2 is 1 by 2. Now as we can see here, a1 by a2 answer is, a1 by a2 answer is 2 by 5. b1 by b2 answer is how much? 1 by 2. Is this both are same? No, these both are different. So we can say that therefore a1 by a2 does not equals to b1 by b2. As we know that if the ratios of a1 and a2 and b1 by and b2 are not equal, therefore they are intersecting lines. They are intersecting lines. Reason, the corresponding ratios of a1 and a2, b1 and b2 are not equal. Just if you write this much, it is more than sufficient. Just compare the ratios of a1 and a2, b1 and b2, show that they are not equal. If they are not equal, hence such type of lines we call it as intersecting lines. Now let me solve the next problem. Question number 18. Find the 15th term of the arithmetic progression 6, 10, 14 and so on using the formula. Come, let me solve this problem. Question number 18. Find the 15th term. So A15 is equals to question mark. They have given the sequence. What is the sequence they have given? 6, 10, 14 and so on. From this, what all the values we can find? जो सीक्वेंस दिया है इसमें हमारे को क्या क्या वैल्यूज मिल रहे हैं? We know first term S, first term is 6. We know common difference, so D is equals to A2 minus A1. What is second term? That is 10 minus first term is 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. So common difference is 4. Okay. Now we have to find A15, right? A15, it is in the form of AN. A15, it is in the form of AN. So what is the value of N here? That is 15. Okay. So A15, if it is in the form of AN, then we have the formula to find AN. AN is equals to A plus of N minus 1 into D. So this is the formula we have to find the nth term. So AN, it is in the form of A15. A15 can also be written as A plus 14D. As we know that N value is 15. 15 minus 1 is 14. So what is first term? First term A is 6 plus 14 into, what is common difference? Common difference is 4. That is 6 plus 14 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 6 1 carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5, 56. 56 plus 6 is 62. So that we can say that therefore the 15th term is 62. Any doubts? Please go with the calculation part. As the calculations are very important, you should be very much careful with the calculation. Is this clear? So therefore the 15th term of the given AP of the given arithmetic progression is 62. This is the final answer. Any doubts? Good. Now let me solve the next case. Question number 19. Find the sum of first 15 terms of 3 plus 6 plus 9 and so on using the formula. Come, let me solve this problem. Question number 19. Find the sum of first 15 terms, that is S15 is equals to question mark. As we know that S15, it is in the form of Sn. Okay. They have given the sequence 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus and so on using the formula. From this, what all the values we know? We know first term is 3. Common difference, that is A2 minus A1. What is second term is 6 minus first term is 3. So that the common difference is 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, we know first term, we know common difference. We have to find S15. As we can see here, S15, it is in the form of Sn. So the value of n is 15. The value of n is 15. As we know that in a question, remember, if they give first term and common difference, then you can use the formula to find Sn. That is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus of n minus 1 into d. This is the formula which we use to find the sum of n terms. But here sum of 15 terms we are finding. So S15 is equals to 15 by 2 into 2 into what is common, what is the first term? First term is 3 plus n is 15 minus 1. Common difference is 3. 15 by 2, can you cancel this? No, keep it as it is, into 2 3s are 6 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into 3. Then 15 by 2 into 6 plus 14 into 3. 14 3s are how much? How much, children? 14 3s are 42. Very good. Then 15 by 2 into 42 plus 6, that is 48. Then 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now can you multiply 15 into 24? Very good. If you multiply, you get the answer 360. So that we can say that the sum of 15 terms is 360. Any doubts? Good. As you can see here, there is a choice or. Okay, verify whether 130 is a term of the arithmetic progression 3, 7, 11 and so on. Here the question is very simple. You have to verify. Can you see this equation? Can you see this sequence? 3, 7, 11. Okay. In this, after 3, 7 is coming. After 7, 11 is coming. And after 11, one more term will come. After that, one more term will come. Am I right? In the same way, do you get 130 in this series? They are asking. In this series, 3 is there, yes. 11 is there in this series, yes. 7 is there in this series, yes. Similarly, 130 is there in this series, we don't know. That only they are asking you to verify. आपको वेरीफाई करना है, आपको चेक करना है. अभी ये जो क्वेश्चन दिया है 3, 7, 11, इसमें 130 करने का नंबर आपको मिलेगा या नहीं. ओके, ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು 130 ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ. Let me solve this problem. This is a choice question. or of question number 19. See children, whenever they ask you to verify, if they ask you to verify, example, let me take 3, 7, 11 and so on. Let we assume 130 is there or not, we don't know, but let me assume 130 as my last term. 130 as my last term, nth term, let me assume. Okay, still we don't know that 130 is there or not, but let me assume 130 as my last number. Now let me check the value of n. What I am telling, this is my first term, this is my second term, this is my third term, right? Similarly, this is which term we have to find. First you check, आपको पहले चेक करना है ठीक है 130 ये कौन से पोजीशन में आ रहा है, which term is 130. In case if we get the value of n positive integer, in case if we get the value of n positive integer, then 130 is the term of the given AP. In case if you get the value of n as negative integer, if you get the value of n negative integer, or you get any fraction, or you get any decimal, then the given term is not the term of the given AP. आपको n की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव इंटीजर ही आना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई आस्क यू हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द क्लास, you can tell sir 10 students are there, sir 20 are there, sir 30 are there, right? Yes or no? You can count. It means that is called as positive integer. If we get minus 10, can you tell sir minus 10 students are present? No. Can you tell sir 1 by 2 half student is present, another half body is coming? No, you cannot tell. Similarly, can you say sir 0.7 students are there? No, it is not possible. Any doubts? Yeah. Now here we need to check the value of n. In case if the value of n is positive integer, then the given term it is in AP. If not, it is not the term of the AP. So that we have to find the value of n. So here first term is 3. Common difference is A2 minus A1. What is second term? 7 minus first term 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. So the common difference is 4. Now to check the value of n, okay, or to find n or to verify 130 is there or not, we use nth term formula, general term formula, that is an is equals to a plus of n minus 1 into d. Okay, what is nth term? We have assumed as 130 is equals to first term is 3 plus n we don't know, keep it as it is, common difference is 4. Then 130 is equals to 3 plus into plus plus 4 into n, 4n, plus into minus, minus, 4 ones are 4. Then 130 is equals to 4n, keep it as it is, 3 minus 4. In 3 can you subtract 4? No, no means minus. 4 minus 3 is 1. We want n, so keep n term as it is. 130 minus 1 come to the other side, it becomes plus 1, that is equals to 4n. Therefore, 4n is equals to 130 plus 1 is 131. So n is equals to 131 by 4. 131 by 4. Let me check. 131 by 4 is divisible. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 12. Remainder is 1. So it becomes 11. It becomes 11. In 4 tables, will you get 4? Sorry, will you get 11? 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. We don't get, right? So you can stop here itself. Now you can say that, what was the question? Verify 130 is the term of the given AP. Now you can say that, therefore 130 is not the term of the given AP. Is this clear? 130 is not the term of the given AP. I hope the concept is clear for you all. Very good. Now let me solve the next problem. Solve 3x square minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0 by using quadratic formula. Now let me solve this problem. Next, question number 20. The equation is given 3x square minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. We have to solve this by using quadratic formula. So what is the quadratic formula we know? That is x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is the quadratic formula, correct? Now what is the value of a? First term is 3 plus 3. What is the second term? Value of b is minus 2. This is a, this is b and this is c. C value is minus 3. Now let me substitute here. Variable is x is equals to minus as it is. Value of b is minus 2. Keep in the bracket minus 2 plus or minus root of b square. B is minus 2 whole square minus 4 into the value of a is 3 into the value of c is minus 3. Done. That is whole divided by 2 into the value of a is 3. Now multiply minus into minus plus 2 plus or minus root of minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square means minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 you have to multiply 2 times. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. 4 minus into minus is plus. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. Whole divided by 2 3s are 6. Is this clear? Good. Then 2 plus or minus root of 36 plus 4 is 40 divided by 6. My dear students, you have to be very careful in this step. Most of you, what you will do, I am telling it here. Remember this calculation. You will divide 2 1s are 2 3s are. You will cancel like this. Do remember, and this is not 2. This 2 is not separate. This 2 is added and subtracted with root 40. This complete numerator is one term. This complete numerator is one term. 2 is not separate. 2 is added and subtracted with root 40. 2 is having the relation with root 40. If it is multiplied, 2 into root 40 means 2 is separate, root 40 is separate. Whenever if you get between any two numbers plus or minus symbol, it means that this complete term is one term. You cannot cancel this 2 and 6 directly. You have to take that common factor, then only you have to cancel. I'll show you how to do it. 2 plus or minus root 40 can be written as 4 tens of 40 divided by 6. Divided by 6. Then 2 plus or minus root 4 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. Root 10 as it is divided by 6. Now we can see here. Now we can see here 2 and here also 2. So we can take 2 as common. 2 into 1 is 2 plus or minus. Already this 2 has come out. So root 10. Can you simplify this root 10? No, it is not possible. Keep it as it is. Divided by 6. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. Now you can cancel this. Got it? Now we can say that x is equals to 1 plus root 10 divided by 3 and x equals 1 minus root 10 divided by 3. So these are the two roots of the given equation. So the value of x is 1 plus root 10 by 3. X equals 1 minus root 10 by 3. Is this clear? Good. Now let me solve the next problem. Question number 21. Find the value of the discriminant and hence write the nature of the roots of the equation x square plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. As you can see here, they are asking you to find the value of discriminant. You have to find discriminant and also you have to write the nature of this equation. Let me solve this problem. Question number 21. We have to find the value of discriminant and also we have to write the nature of the root. So what is the given equation? The given equation is x square plus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. The value of a is plus 1. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. A is 1. If nothing is given, you have to assume 1 is there. B value is plus 3. C value is plus 2. We know that to find the discriminant, d is equals to b square minus 4ac. Sometimes we also write this as delta. Delta means discriminant. Okay. You can write d or delta, both are one and the same. No need to worry. Okay. I'll take here delta. Okay. So delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. Now delta is equals to, what is the value of b? B is 3, 3 square minus 4 into a is 1, c is 2. To find discriminant, we use this formula. Okay, 3 square is 9, minus into plus is minus, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 9 minus 8, that is equals to 1. So the value of delta, we got the answer 1. Now we can say that therefore delta is greater than 0, correct? As you can see, the discriminant value is 1, delta is greater than 0. We can say that roots are real and distinct. Okay, why roots are real and distinct? Because delta is greater than 0. If we get delta value greater than 0 means positive numbers, then we can say that roots are real and distinct. Discriminant, what is the value of discriminant? Discriminant is 1. They have asked what is discriminant and what is the nature. So the nature of the roots, you can write like this also if you want. Nature of the roots are real and distinct. And what is discriminant value? Discriminant is 1. Any doubts? Good. Now let me solve the next problem. Next question. Find the distance between the points 3, 1 and 6, 2 using distance formula. They have given two coordinates. One is 3, 1 and next coordinate is 6, 2. The next coordinate is 6, 2. Now we have to solve this. Question number 22. Find the distance between the points. Let me say, let the points be A and B. Let the points be A and B. The first point A coordinates are 3, 1 and second point B be the coordinates 6, 2. Now we have to find the distance between these 2 points A and B. What is the distance? To find this, we have the formula, distance formula. D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Done. Please always highlight the given formula. It is very important. You have to highlight it. Now we know that this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and then this is y2. x1 is plus 3, y1 is plus 1, x2 is plus 6, y2 is plus 2. Now we can say that D is equals to root of x2. x2 value is 6 minus x1 is 3 whole square plus y2 is 2 minus y1 is 1 whole square. That is equals to root of 6 minus 3 is 3 whole square plus 2 minus 1 is 1 whole square. That is equals to root of 3 square is 9 plus 1 square is 1. Then we can say that that is equals to root 10. Can you simplify this root 10? No, keep it as it is. Therefore, D is equals to root 10 units. Any doubts? Good. Now let me solve the next problem. Next question. Divide the line segment AB is equals to 10 cm in the ratio 2:3 geometrically. Let me solve this problem. See children, how to solve this problem. Question number 23. What they have given, draw a line of length 10 cm. First you draw a line of length 10 cm. Let me give the name as A and B. AB is the line of 10 cm. Now we have to divide this line in the ratio 2:3. It means that you should add this both the numbers 2 and 3. First you add 2 and 3, that is equals to 5. It means that we have to make 5 equal parts. We have to make 5 equal parts. You can assume any of the angle as you wish. Draw a straight line. Then cut, keeping the point at A, cut 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me extend this line. So we have cut it 5 equal parts. Let me name this as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. So we have cut it into 5 equal parts. Now we have to divide this in the ratio 2:3, right? For that, what we should do, very simple, join A5 with B. Join the line A5 with B. As you can see here, we have to join this line. We have joined A5 with B. Any doubts? Concepts are clear? Let me draw a line. Okay. Now I have joined this with a straight line. Now we have to draw 2:3. Correct? We have to draw 2:3. First is 2, second is 3. Correct? 2:3. Where is first part 2? Now what we should do? We have to draw one parallel line at 2. We have to draw one parallel line at 2 from 2, which is parallel to A5 and B. Okay. Now let me to join this. Let me draw. 1 minute. Let me draw a line which is parallel to A5 with B. So this is my parallel line. I hope you know this procedure, how to draw this. You can draw. Let me say this point as B dash. Okay. This is the line which is parallel to this. Okay. Is this clear? Now we can say that therefore A from A to A2, okay, by A2 to A5 is equals to 2 by 3. Correct? This is 2 parts and this is 3 parts. Then we also know that A2 by A2 A5, this is equals to A2 by A2 A5, this is equals to A B dash by B dash B. B dash B. This we are using the condition as we know in BPT. If a line is drawn parallel to any side of a triangle, then it divides the other two sides proportionally. This side by A by B is equals to C by D. Okay. As we know that this line is parallel to this, then A by B is equals to C by D. Similarly, this line is parallel to this. So we can say that A by A2 as A, A2 by A5 as B, A to B dash as C, B dash to C as D. So A by B is equals to C by D. Is this clear? But you no need to show these things. I am just giving you the step how we have done this. Okay. So this side is proportion to this, that is equals to this side is proportion to this. Now we can say that A B dash by B dash B or B B dash, both are same, that is also is equals to 2 by 3. Hence we have proved. Now we have divided A to B dash is 2 parts, B dash to B is 3 parts. Is this clear? Good. Now let me solve the next problem. Question number 24. From the given figure, find the value of sin theta tan alpha. As you can see, this is a right angle triangle. Okay. First they are asking sin theta, second they are asking tan alpha. Let me solve this problem. Next question number 24. As you can see here, the given figure is given as, this is our right angle triangle. Okay. Named as A, B and C. AB is 1 unit, BC is 2 units and AC is root 5 units. And here as you can see, they have given two acute angles. One acute angle is theta and another acute angle is alpha. Okay. And what they are asking us to find? They are asking us to find the value of sin theta and then they are asking us to find tan alpha. Remember this. So these are the two unknowns are there. So now what I will do, very simple. First I will take a right angle triangle. Where theta is acute angle, because I need to find sin theta. I want sin theta, so I am taking theta as my acute angle. Okay. This namings remains same, ABC. These sides remain same, 1, 2, root 5. These all values are same. But here theta is acute angle. If theta is acute angle, this is 90 degree. If B is 90, this side we call it as hypotenuse. If theta is acute angle, then this side we call it as opposite and remaining side is adjacent. If you don't know this, please follow trigonometry from Shah sir classes. This is my YouTube channel name, Shah sir classes. In this I have covered the basics, how to remember these formulas and also how to identify these sides. These all the things I have covered in those videos of trigonometry. You can follow my channel. Still, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel Shah sir classes, kindly do subscribe it and watch the chapter trigonometry, basics of trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry. In that we have covered these basics. Okay, now let me come to this point. Sin theta. We know that sin theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. So in this, what is opposite value? That is 1 by hypotenuse is root 5. So the answer of sin theta is 1 by root 5. Done. Similarly, now we need to find tan alpha. Now what we have to do? Very simple. Take a right angle triangle. ABC remains same. ABC remains same. AB is 1 units, BC is 2 units and AC is root 5 units. Now we have to assume our acute angle name as alpha. So which is the acute angle now? Alpha is the acute angle. If alpha is acute angle, now see here, B is 90 degree, so opposite hypotenuse. A is acute angle, then this is my opposite side and remaining side is adjacent side. You should be very careful. If angle changes, even sides also will change. Okay. Now they are asking what? Tan alpha. Now we know that tan alpha. What is tan formula? Okay. That is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. What is opposite value? That is 2. By adjacent is 1. 2 by 1 is, that is 2. So this is the final answer. I hope you have understood this problem. Good. Next main, fourth main, answer the following questions. As you can see, totally we have 9 questions. Each question carries 3 marks, total 27 marks. Let me see this question. Question number 25. Prove that the tangents drawn to a circle from an external point are equal. We have to prove this theorem. Come, let's prove this theorem. Fourth main, question number 25. So first what we have to do is, we have to prove the tangents drawn to a circle from an external point are equal. First let me draw a circle. We have drawn a circle and then so what we have done? We have drawn a circle, right? First you write the data. Data means what he has given in the statement. What he has given? Prove that the tangents drawn to a circle from an external point. Let me say this is a point, external point. I have taken one point outside this circle. Let me name O is the center of the circle, P is the external point. Now what I am doing here, I am going to draw a tangent. I am going to draw a tangent from external point P. Let me say PA is the tangent. Okay, as you can see, this is a line which is touching the circle at this point. It is touching a circle at this point and it is moving. So PA is the tangent. Similarly, let me draw one more tangent. Actually, it should come like this. This is a tangent which is touching a circle at a point. Let me assume this is a point which is B. It is a point B. So we have drawn the tangent, right? So now you can say that O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. P is the external point. P is the external point. PA and PB are the tangents. Okay, is this clear? Prove that the tangents drawn to a circle from an external point, we have to prove this, both the tangents. To prove that, we have to prove that this both the tangents PA and PB are equal. We have to prove both the tangents are equal. Now our final answer should be PA is equals to PB. Okay, let me prove this. Now we are going to do a small construction. We are going to do a small construction. What is the construction to prove PA equals PB? I am joining OA, OB. Okay, I am joining OA, OB and OP. Okay, join OA, OB and OP. OA, OB and OP are joined, join OA, OB and OP. Now let me do the proof to prove that PA is equals to PB. Proof. See children, as you have seen the figure, right? Let me to draw once again here. This was my tangent. This is the circle. No need to draw once again. Actually the figure is stopped. So I am just roughly I am drawing here. So this is my tangent, right? PA and PB. These are my tangents, right? Yeah. Now see here. Proof. In triangle OAP. See this figure? In triangle, can you see this? Yeah, this top. In triangle OAP, and you can see bottom one triangle is there, and triangle OBP. Now I am just comparing these two triangles, triangle OAP and triangle OBP. In this, what do you know? We know that OA is equals to OB. As we know, OA is the radius, OB is also the radius. OA is equals to OB. What is the reason? Radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. Got it? And also we know that the angle between the radius and tangent is always 90 degree. The angle between the radius and tangent 90. Angle between the radius and tangent is 90. Yes. We can say that angle OAP. OAP. A is the center. Center is the main angle. Okay. Angle A. Angle OAP is equals to 90 degree. Correct. And angle OBP is also is equals to 90 degree. Correct. Angle OAP and angle OBP both are equal 90 degree, no? So what we can do, we can write like this. Angle OAP is equals to angle OBP is equals to 90 degree. Both are 90 degree. Reason? Radius drawn at the point, radius drawn at the point of contact, is perpendicular to the tangent. Perpendicular to the tangent. And also we know that AP is hypotenuse, BP is also hypotenuse. We can say that hypotenuse OA, hypotenuse, see here children, let me take one triangle. This is my 90 degree. As I have said you, A के सामने जो दिखाई दे रहा है उसको बोलते हैं हम hypotenuse. Okay, the side which is opposite to 90 degree, the side which is opposite to 90 degree, that side we call it as hypotenuse. So which is hypotenuse now here? OP. So hypotenuse OP. If we take B is 90 degree, which is the opposite side of B? OP only. So from both the cases, OP is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse OP is equals to hypotenuse OB. That is nothing but common side. We can say both are common side. Okay, OP is the common side for both the triangles. Now we can conclude that therefore triangle OAP is congruentially equal to triangle OBP. Reason? RHS theorem. This theorem is called as RHS theorem. Now we can say that PA is equals to PB. Okay, PA is equals to PB. Okay, you can write the reason CP CT. Okay, hence proved. We have proved that since triangles are congruentially equal, then definitely both the tangents are also equal. Any doubts? Good. We are supposed to write this number of steps. Now let me solve the next problem. Find the mean of the following data by direct method. They have given the class interval and frequency. Now they are asking us to find the mean of this class interval. Let me solve this problem. Question number 26. They are asking us to find the mean by direct method. As we know that assume mean method and step derivation method is deleted. Now we are solving only mean method only. Okay. See children, here they have given class interval and frequency, right? No need to write this, just I am showing you. They have given this data. I am writing the data 10 to 30, 30 to 50, 50 to 70, 70 to 90. Frequency 2, 6, 10, 2. This was our question, right? Okay, let it be. Now solution. I am solving here. You have to follow the steps from here. I have just taken the question itself. Okay. Now, first what you have to do, they have given class interval and frequency. Now 10 to 30, what is the midpoint? We have to find that score, or we have to find the midpoint of 10 and 30. We don't know. So what you should do to find the midpoint of 10 and 30, add these both the numbers. 10 plus 30, 40, divide by 2. आपको क्या करना है, फर्स्ट नंबर और लास्ट नंबर को ऐड करना है, डिवाइड बाय 2 करना है हर वैल्यूज को, तो आपको नेक्स्ट नंबर मिड टर्म मिल जाएगा. ओके, 10 plus 30 is 40, 40 by 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 20. So the mid is 20. 30 plus 50 is 80 by 2, 80 by 2 is 40. Next term is 40. See, after 20 we are getting 40, after 40 we get 60, correct? See, if two terms if we get, see, after 20 we are getting 40, then after 40 60, after 60 80. It's simple. Then frequency 2, 6, 10, 2. Please follow the order. Okay, follow the order. Now we got the values of midpoint x and frequency f. Now what we should do, we have to find the mean. To find mean is denoted by the symbol x bar. The formula is sigma fx by n. Sigma fx by n. This is a formula which we use to find mean. But in your problem, in your textbook, they may have given like fi xi. By n, they have given as sigma fi, right? If you write like this also, it is well and good. It is nothing but frequency of integers and scores of integers by summation of frequency of integers. Okay. So here I am just taking in short sigma fx by n. Okay. But here n is what? N is nothing but sigma f. Okay. What is this sigma? Sigma means addition. You have to add. Now see children, we have to find mean sigma fx by n. First we have to find f into x, the product of f and x. First you multiply f and x, 20 into 2, 40, 40 into 6, 240, 60 into 10, 600, 82 is a 160. Okay, we have to find fx. Now here what is the problem we have to do? This all fx you should add. Why? Because we have to find sigma fx. We have to find sigma fx, right? If you want sigma fx, you have to add all fx values. Then you get sigma fx. If you add these all values, you get 1040. So sigma fx is 1040 divided by, what is n? N means sigma f. You should add all the values of f. If you are adding all the values of f, you get 20. Substitute here 20. 0 0 get cancelled, right? 2 1s are 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So the mean is x bar is equals to 52. So we have found the mean. Got it? They have asked us to find the mean. So the value of mean is 52. Is this clear? Good. Okay. So we have done with question number 26. As you can see here, there is a choice question or. Okay. Let me solve this choice question. Let me see this question first. Find the mode of scores in the following data. They have given the class interval and frequency and they are asking us to find the mode of this class interval. Okay, come let me solve this problem. This is a choice question of question number 26. We have to find the mode. First, let me write the class interval. The class interval is given 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11. And then frequencies are given 6, 9, 2, 2, 1. These are the frequencies. Now what we should find? We have to find the mode. First, to write the formula, what we use to find mode. That is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula. Okay. First, what we have to do? First, F1. See children. Now, in the given values, see which is bigger in frequency. 6, 9, 2, 2, 1. Which is bigger number? 9. 9 is the bigger. So, this is my F1. Before F1 what comes? That is F0. After F1 what it comes? That is F2. इसमें जो बड़ा नंबर है वो F1 रहेगा. F1 के पीछे में जो है वो F0 है. F1 के आगे में जो है that is F2. Now we got to know that F1 is equals to 9. F0 is equals to 6. F2 is equals to 2. Now see the F1 range. See the range of F1. See F1 range. In this F1 range, what is the class interval? Class interval is 3 to 5. This 3 to 5 we call it as modal class. Sometimes they may ask you in 1 mark question. They will give this question and they will ask you to find modal class. Remember? So here modal class is 3 to 5. In this 3 to 5, 3 is the smaller number, 5 is the bigger number. So here we call 3 as lower limit and 5 as upper limit. So here lower limit is 3. And then we have to find H. H means you do 3 minus 1 or 5 minus 3 or 7 minus 5. Any number you can do, like A2 minus A1. We are doing right in AP. Yeah, similarly 3 minus 1 is 2. This is called as size of the class interval. Size of the class interval. Now just we have to substitute these values. That is mode is equals to, what is L? L is 3 plus F1 9 minus F0 6 by 2 into F1 is 9 minus F0 is 6 minus F2 is 2 into H is 2. That is equals to 3 plus 9 minus 6. How much? 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. Divided by 2 9s are 18. Minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. We have to add into 2. That is equals to 3 plus 3 by 18 minus 8 is 10 into 2. Okay. Remember children, here what you should do, this 3 is separate, this 3 is separate and this complete calculation is separate. First you have to calculate this complete part. After that you should add with 3. Got it? Then 3 plus 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. That is nothing but 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Now you have two options. Either you do 3 divided by 5, add with 3, or you can take LCM and you can simplify. It's up to you. Your wish. Is this clear? Understood what did I say? Yeah. So these are the steps you need to follow. Can you check what is the answer? Can you tell me what is the answer? Yes, 3 by 5. How much? 3 plus If you don't know, you can calculate here. 3 divided by 5. In 5 tables we don't get 3. So point, take 1 0. 5 6 30. Then the remainder is 0. 3 by 5 is 0.6. Then 3 plus 0.6. 3 is nothing but 3.0. 0 plus 6 is 6. 0.3 plus 0 is 3. So the final answer is 3.6. So what is the value of mode? Mode is 3.6. I hope the concept is clear for you all. Now let me solve the next problem. Next question, number 27. Evaluate 4 sin 30 degree plus tan 48 degree into tan 42 degree minus 3 tan 45 degree. Come, let me solve this problem. Question number 27. 4 sin 30 degree plus tan 48 degree into tan 42 degree minus 3 tan 45 degree. Children, first you should know the table. Okay, I hope you remember the trigonometric standard table, right? Yeah, 4 into, what is sin 30 in the table? Sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus, if you want you can maintain the brackets, tan 48. We don't have tan 48, right? We don't have tan 48 direct value, and also into tan 42 also we don't have direct value. So what we do, we calculate this separate. That is tan 48 degree into tan 42 degree. Now in this, which is bigger? 48. So this can be written as tan of 90 minus any one value you have to change out of 48 and 42. इसको बोलते हैं complementary angle. This we call it as complementary angle. So tan 90 minus how much is 48? 90 minus 48 you do. 10 minus 8 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. That is 42. Tan 90 minus 42 is 48 into tan 42. Keep it as it is. Okay, आपको tan 48 और 42 में किसी एक को change करना है. You have to change any one. So what I have done in tan 48 and tan 42, I have changed tan 48. So tan 48 can be written as tan of 90 minus 42 is tan 48 into tan 42 as it is. Now, see children, I hope you remember these complementary angles. That is sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Sine and cos, tan and cot, cosecant and secant. What does it mean? It means that sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Similarly, cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. Sine and cos, tan and cot, cosecant and secant. Okay. Tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot of 90 minus theta, tan theta. Secant of 90 minus theta is cosecant theta. Cosecant of 90 minus theta is secant theta. Now we have to apply the same condition here. It is in the form of tan of 90 minus theta. What is tan of 90 minus theta? That is cot theta. That is cot 42 degree. 90 minus theta. In place of theta we have 42. So tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot 42 into tan 42. Cot and tan both are reciprocal. So cot can be written as, cot 42 can be written as 1 by tan 42 into tan 42. Now we can say that tan 42 get cancelled. So the final answer is 1. So here what we can do, the value of tan 48 into tan 42 is 1 plus not plus, sorry, it is minus, let me maintain the bracket, 3 into tan 45 is 1. Okay, that is equals to 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 minus 3 ones are 3. 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So here the final answer is 0. I hope you have understood this problem. Good. See here students, again in the same question number 27 there is or choice question is there. Okay, what is this question? 6 cos 60 degree minus sin 30 degree plus sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree. We have to find the value of this, it seems. Let me solve this. Same question number 27, there is a choice question. Let me solve this. Or there is a choice question. The question given as 6 cos 60 degree minus sin 30 degree plus sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree. Now substitute the values directly. 6 into what is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Done. Minus sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus sin 45. Here sin square 45. No, first you find what is sin 45. But one thing you can see here, it is in the form of sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree. If you want, you can do sin 45 and you can do whole square. Cos 45 again you can do whole square. But here he has given in the form of sin square theta plus cos square theta form. Can you see this? Sin square theta is 45 plus cos square theta is 45. It's in the form of sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? That is 1. So here sin square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree is 1. Okay. Now that is equals to 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Now we have to take the LCM. As you can see in denominator nothing is there means 1. Here also nothing is there means 1. 1, 2 and 1. What is the LCM? 2. Okay. Now this entire term multiply by LCM. What is the LCM? We got 2. This entire term is 3. 3 multiply by LCM 2. 3 2s are 6. Done. Minus. Again this entire term 1 by 2. Again this entire term 1 by 2 multiply by LCM. 2 2 get cancelled. 1. Again this entire term 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. Multiply by LCM 2. That is plus 1 2s are 2. Got it? That is equals to 6 plus 2 is 8 minus 1 by 2. That is equals to 7 by 2. So this is the final answer. Is this clear? Good. Now let me solve the next problem. Next question number 28. Yield of coconuts grown in a village by 15 farmers is as follows. Draw less than type ogive. See children, there are 15 farmers are there. Okay. Yield of coconuts grown in a village by 15 farmers. 15 farmers है एक village में. तो हमारे को क्या करना है? We have to draw the less than type. Okay, we have to draw the less than type ogive for the given frequency. See here, whatever let they give, you don't need to worry about that thing. Remember this, whatever they give, don't worry. Just see what is the question they are asking. They are asking less than type or more than type. They are asking less than type, right? So let me draw the less than type ogive curve. Now here the given values are number of coconuts, cumulative frequency. Remember, number of coconuts, cumulative frequency. Less than 50, less than 75, less than 50. Cumulative frequency is 2, less than 75, cumulative frequency is 4, less than 100, 9, less than 125, 10 and as follows. So they have given less than 200 till 15. Now we have to draw the less than type ogive curve for the given frequency distribution. For the given frequency distribution. Come, let me solve this problem. Okay. Next question number 28. 8. The given question is number of coconuts. Okay, 1 minute. Let me write in short. Number of coconuts and cumulative frequency, that is less than 50. I am just writing like this, but don't write like this. You have to write full sentence. Okay, less than 50, less than 75, less than 100, less than 125, less than 150, less than 175, less than 200. Okay, got it? These are less than. Cumulative frequency is 2, 4, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15. This is our cumulative frequency. Okay. Now we are supposed to draw the less than type ogive curve. Now see here, students. Here whatever they have given number of coconuts, these all are our x values. And you can see here 2, 4, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15. These are our y values. Got it? So here 50, 75, 50, 75, 100. These all are in which tables? Can you see? It's in the form of 25. Correct? 50, after 50, 75, then 100, 100, 125, then again 150, 175, 200. So what we can do? We can take the scale. Scale x-axis, that is 25 units, whatever they have given, these all are under units. Okay, 25 units is equals to 1 centimeter. Similarly, y-axis 2, 4, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15, it's in the form of 2, 2, 4. Shall we take as 2 units is equals to 1 centimeter. Got it? I have taken the scale. X-axis 25 units equals 1 centimeter. Y-axis, let me to write here. Y-axis 2 units is equals to 1 centimeter. Now what you should do? Very simple. Now draw an x-axis. Draw an x-axis and y-axis. Draw an x-axis and y-axis, and then this is my x-axis and this is our y-axis. Now I am taking each centimeter. See 0. I said you just now, this number of coconuts are my x-axis. Okay. Now one thing you need to remember. Whenever if they ask you less than type, understood? You have to take the upper limit. What you should do? You have to take the upper limit. So in less than 50, less than 50, less than 75, less than 100. See here, I'll give a clue. What does it mean? Is 1 minute. Okay, less than type. If they give less than type, you have to take upper limit values. Remember, you have to write opposite of it. अगर से आपको less than पूछ रहा है तो आपको upper limit use करना है. And this y-axis is nothing but our cumulative frequency. This is our cumulative frequency. Upper limit, cumulative frequency. As you can see, the first number, it starts from 50. It is not starting from 0. So what we have to do? We have to draw a zigzag line like this. What does it mean? We have a sum of numbers here. So this line represents, if you draw this, what it represents? Some before this also some numbers are there, but we are starting from let me say this is my 1 centimeter from 0 to 1. So this is my 50, 1 centimeter. Then this is my 2 centimeter. This is 75. This is 3 centimeter. 100, 125. Okay. Then 150. But you have to take accurate scale. Then 175. Are you getting? And then this is my next centimeter is 200. This is 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 centimeter. So these are the values you need to take. Then let me take similarly. This is my 1 centimeter. This is my 1 centimeter. That is 2. Got it? And this is my 2 centimeter. 4. This is 3 centimeter. 6. Then 8. Then 10. Then 12. Then 14. And then 16. 16. Okay. Now first what we should do? Less than 50. So 50, and what is the cumulative frequency? 2. So this is my 50 and this is my 2. So mark the point. Mark the point. 50, 2. Got it? And next is 75. Can you see this? This 75 is the upper limit. So from 75 to 4. 75 is here. Now see this line and this line where it match this coordinate. I hope you know this. Correct? That is 75, 4. Next 100, 9. This is 100. See 8 to 10 between is 9. Like 8.5. This 0.5 is there now. That is 9. 100. 100. I'm just taking approximation. But you have to do exact value. Let me say this is the point. 100, 9. And then what we have to do? 125, 10. This is 125 and this is 10. 125, 10. Next 150, 11. 150 is here and then 11 means it's somewhere here. 150, 11. Next 175, 13. 175 is here. Then 13 means approximation. Somewhere it comes here. 175, 13. Next 215. This is my 200. And this is my 15 value. That is 200, 15. Okay. Now remember one thing. You have to use your freehand drawing. You should not use scale. Just join this point with this point. Again, just join this with this. Just join this with this. Then again this. Just join with the freehand. No scale. You should not use scale. It's a freehand drawing. That's it. So this is our less than type ogive curve. Okay. This is our less than type ogive curve. So if you draw this much, it carries 3 marks. But actually here they have given straightforward question, very simple question. But still you have to solve some other questions also related to this topic. But that we will be covering in our crash course as well in our regular classes. Still more number of questions are there which you have to solve. Here they have given very simple question in this model paper. But you have to solve some other type questions also for your examination point of view. But here directly they have given the upper limits and cumulative frequencies they have given directly. So we have plotted the graph. But sometimes they won't give you the upper limit directly and they will give instead of cumulative frequency, frequency. First if they give frequency, you have to convert into cumulative frequency, then you have to substitute these values. Got it? So here they have given straightforward question. So it is so simple to draw this curve, but it is not so simple. They may ask you in the exam. So be careful. You have to solve some other type questions also to score a very good marks. Now let me solve the next problem. Question number 29. The slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 cm. Slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 cm. And the perimeter of its circular ends are 18 cm and 16 cm. Then find the curved surface area of the frustum of the cone. Now come, let me solve this problem. See here, students. Next, question number 29. What is given? They have given the slant height. Slant height is 4 cm. And they have given perimeter. Okay, they have given the perimeter of upper circular end and lower circular end. So let me write separately. Perimeter of upper circular end is equals to 18. What is perimeter formula? Perimeter is 2 pi r of the circle, but here 2 pi r 1. We take first, that is 18. See here, if we take a cone, if you cut this cone, you will get 2 parts, correct? Is this clear? Yeah. So actually this is my frustum of a cone. This is my frustum. So we have two circular ends. Can you see this small circular end and here base small, bigger circular end? These are the two circular ends. Here what he has given? Slant height he has given as 4 cm. This is my slant height 4 cm. And perimeter of upper circular end means actually I have drawn in the opposite shape. Upper is nothing but bigger. Remember, upper always it will be bigger and lower will be smaller. So perimeter of this base is in the form of circle, that is 2 pi r1 equals 18. From this we can calculate r1. How much is r1? R1 is equals to 18 by 2 pi. 18 by 2 pi, that is 2 1s are 2 9s are 18. So we can write that as 9 by pi centimeters. So this is my r1. Now perimeter of, next topic he has given, perimeter of lower circular end means small. Lower circular end he has given how much? That is 16. Perimeter of lower circular end is 16. So perimeter of circle formula is 2 pi r, but here upper is r1, lower is r2 we are taking. So that is 2 pi r2 is equals to 16. Then r2 is equals to 16 by 2 pi. 2 1s are 2 8s are. The final answer is 8 by pi centimeters. Okay. Now we have to calculate the curved surface area of the frustum of the cone. Therefore, we know that curved surface area of frustum of cone is equals to pi into r1 plus r2 into L. Got it? Pi into r1 plus r2 into L. Substitute the values. Pi into, how much is r1? R1 is 9 by pi, just now we have done, plus R2 is 8 by pi into slant height is 4 centimeter. Now what pi, keep it as it is, into, here 9 by pi plus 8 by pi. Shall we take 1 by pi as common? If we take pi of denominator common, so what it becomes? 9 plus 8 into 4. Then this pi get cancelled. Okay. Now what is left out? 9 plus 8, that is 17 into 4. 17 into 4. How much? That is equals to 68 centimeter square. So this is the curved surface area of frustum of cone. Okay. We have find the curved surface area of the frustum of the cone. Next question. In same question number 21, there is a choice or. Can we see this? Yeah. A toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted on a cylinder of height 10 cm as shown in the figure. If the radius of the cylinder is 3.5 cm, find the volume of the toy. See children, here this is a toy. Toy is nothing but the children's which they used to play, that is a toy. But here this is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted on a cylinder. This is our cylinder. Can you see this? This is a cylinder. Upon cylinder there is a hemisphere. Okay. Now, the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter as they have given in the question itself. Height is 10 centimeter. Radius of the cylinder is 3.5. See this, radius is 3.5, and remember the radius of hemisphere is also 3.5 because it is mounted on the cylinder only. Can you see this? Yeah. So the radius of the cylinder is 3.5 and the radius of the hemisphere is also 3.5. It has to be understandable. Now they are asking us to find the volume of the toy. Now what we should do? We have to find separately volume of cylinder and separately volume of hemisphere. Then we have to find the volume of the entire given figure. Let me solve this problem. Same question number 29. This is a choice question or. So what is the given? Given here is height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and radius of the cylinder is 3.5 centimeters. So here radius of the cylinder and radius of the hemisphere both remain same. They are asking us to find the volume of toy. Now first we have to write here what we have to find. We have to find volume of toy. How to find volume of toy? Volume of toy is equals to volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. Just find both the volumes and add up. If you want directly you can substitute and add. If not, separately you find and substitute. So first let me find volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder. What is the formula to find volume of cylinder? That is pi r square h. What is pi? 22 by 7. Radius 3.5 but radius square. So 3.5 into 3.5 into height is 10. See children, forget about this 3.5. Assume this is 35. Okay. 7 ones are 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. Before 5 there is a point. Keep point and take 0. Now just multiply 22 into 0.5 into 3.5 into 10. If you are going to multiply these all values, what will be the final answer? Can you tell me what it may come? First you multiply separately 22 into 10. How much? It is 220. Separately you multiply into 0.5 into 3.5. If you multiply you will get 1.75. Okay. Now you multiply 220 into 1.75. Then you get 385.0. So it's nothing but 385 centimeter cube because we are finding volume. Any doubts? Concepts are clear? Very good. Understood the calculation part? Good. Now let me solve the volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere is equals to, what is the formula? 2 by 3 pi r cube. That's nothing but 2 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into r cube 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. Okay. Now in which tables it goes? 7 ones are 7 5s are 35, 0.5. Next in 3 tables it goes? No, it doesn't go. So what we should do now? Can you check what has to be done? Okay. Now what we can do? 2 into 22 is 44 divided by 3. Okay. 44 by 3 into. Can you multiply 0.5 into 3.5 into 3.5? Because in 3 tables it doesn't goes, right? So just I have taken 44 by 3 as it is. Now multiply 0.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. What is the answer? You will be getting the answer 6.125. 6.125. Then you can calculate this 44 by 3 separately. What is the answer? 44 divided by 3. 44 divided by 3, 3 ones are 3, remainder 1, 3 fours are 12, 3 fours are 12, remainder 2 means 0.20, 3 6 are 18, again remainder 2, 20, 3 6 are 18, it goes on. So 14.66 into 6.125, multiply 14.66 into 6.125, how much? 89.7925 you will get. So approximately we can say 90 centimeter cube. Approximate value 89.7. We can take it as round figure 90 centimeter cube, approximation value. Okay, because we are just missing the decimals, so we can take this as 90 centimeter cube. Now we can say that therefore volume of toy is equals to how much? 385 plus 90, that is equals to how much? Can you tell me how much? 385 plus 90, that is 475 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the toy. Now let me solve the next problem. The sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. See children, in this all problem just you need to understand. Okay, excuse me. Yeah, the sum of rupees 700 is to be used. Total how much amount is there with you? आपके पास कितने पैसे हैं अभी? We have totally 700 rupees. ठीक है? हाँ, this I have to use to give 7 cash prizes. मेरे को ये इतने पैसे लेकर क्या करना है? I have to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall performance. If each prize, आपका एक प्राइज की कीमत कितनी है? How much is the cost of each prize? That is rupees 20 less than its preceding price. आपके पिछले प्राइस की वैल्यू जितनी थी उससे 20 रुपीज कम है. Means it is decreasing. Every price is decreasing by 20 rupees. Each price is decreasing by 20 rupees. Find the value of each of the prices. First you find out how much is the price of the first prize. Okay, how much is the price of the first prize? First prize का कितना वैल्यू? उसका 20 रुपीज कम है second prize का. Again second prize 20 rupees less is third prize. Again third prize 20 rupees less is fourth prize, and so on. So let me solve this problem. Okay, question number 30. What is given? Sum of all the prizes. Sum of all the prizes. So what is the sum of all prizes? 7 prizes they have to take from the amount of 700, right? So sum of n terms. Sum of n, that is nothing but sum of 7 prizes, that is 700. So here we can say the value of n is 7. And what is the common difference? Each price is decreasing. It is less by 20 rupees. So we have to write minus 20 here. Be careful. Each price cost is 20 rupees less than the previous price. Example, if first price is 100, second price is how much? 20 rupees less than the previous price. Second price will be 80. Correct? Next price will be 60. Example I am telling. Each price is 20 rupees less than the preceding. Preceding means previous price. Previous price से 20 rupees कम होगा next price. So on. So it is minus 20. Now if you know, do you know first term here? We don't know. But still we can use the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus of n minus 1 into d. Shall we use this formula? S7 is equals to 7 by 2 into 2 into a, we don't know, keep it as it is, plus n is 7 minus 1, common difference is minus 20. Then 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6 into minus 20. Then 7 by 2 What is S7 value? That is 700. Let me write 700, okay, into 2a, plus into minus minus, 6 into 20 is 120. Now shall we cross multiply the 7 by 2 here? 700 into 2 divided by 7 is equals to 2a minus 120. 2a minus 120. Now 7 ones are 7 hundreds are 100 into 2, 200 is equals to 2a minus 120. We want a is unknown here, so let me find unknown value. So 200 minus 120 come this side, plus 120, that is equals to 2a. Therefore 2a is equals to 200 plus 120 is 320. Okay, then a is equals to 300 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, remainder 1, 2 5s are 10, 0. So the value of the first term is 150. What is the value of the first term? It is it is 320, sorry, it is 320, right? Yeah, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 6s are 12, and then 0. So it is 160. So what is the price of the first prize? What is the price of the first prize? It is 160. Now you can write here, therefore the first prize cost is 160, correct? What about the second prize? First prize is 160, then second prize will be 140, then 120, 100, 80, 60 and 40. The first prize is 160. Therefore, the 7 prizes, you can write like this heading. Therefore, the 7 prizes cost are 160, 140, 120, 100, 80, 60, 40. So this is the final answer. Any doubts? Understood the concept? Very good. Now let me solve the next problem here. Let me solve the next question, number 31. Find the area of a triangle ABC whose vertices are A of 2, 2, B of 3, 4 and C of minus 1, 3. Come, let me solve this problem. Question number 31. The coordinates of A are 2, 2, B 3, 4, C minus 1, 3. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now we should find the area of triangle. Area of triangle is equals to half into, use the logic, x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. Use this logic. Write here x1, x2, x3. Now you should use the logic here. After 1, 2, after 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Now substitute the values. Half into x1 is how much? 2 into y2 is 4 minus y3 is 3 plus x2 3 into y3 is 3 minus y1 is 2 plus x3 is minus 1 into y1 is 2 minus y2 is 4. Close the bracket. Now half into 2 into 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 3 into 3 minus 2 is 1. Next, plus into minus, minus, okay, if not plus, you write as it is, minus 1 into 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Close the bracket. Half into 2 ones are 2 plus 3 ones are 3. plus, minus into minus is plus, plus into plus is plus, 1 2s are 2. Got it? Then half into 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, that is 7 by 2 square units. So area of triangle is 7 by 2 square units. Any doubts? Good. As we can see here, there is a choice question, or find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line joining the point 6, -2 and 10, 8. So this problem is related to trisection. Let me solve this problem. Now same question, there is a choice, or let me solve this problem of trisection. See children, here the given points are A and B. Let me say A and B are the given points. 6, -2 and 10, 8 are the given points. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So here the points are C and D are the points. Okay. Now first what we should do here, we have to use the section formula. What you should do? Section formula, P of x, y is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is our section formula. First what you have to do, take this is my one part from A to C is one part with two parts. It means first we have to assume, suppose this is my AB, suppose you assume we are going to find the coordinates of C first. To find coordinates of C, from A to C it is one part, correct? From C to B you can see, from C to D is one part, again D to B is one part. So it is two parts. So first we have to find coordinates of C. First we have to find coordinates of C, then you have to find coordinates of D. Okay? पहले आपको coordinates of C find out करना है, तो आपको क्या करना है? Just you consider the points A, C and B. First you find C coordinates. To find the coordinates of C, then what is m1 is to m2 here? m1 is to m2 is equals to 1 is to 2. This is one part and this is two parts. Okay. Now let me write C of x, y is equals to, how much is m1? m1 is 1 into, okay, substitute the values, 1 into x2 is 10 plus 2 into 6 by 1 plus 2, comma, m1 into y2 is 8 plus m2 is how much? 2 into x1 is 6 divided by 1 plus 2. Understood? Just substitute the values. m1 की जगह में 1, m2 की जगह 2. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. Substitute in this formula. That's it. 1 10s are 10, 2 6s are 12 by 3, 8 plus 12 by 3, 10 plus 12, 22 by 3, 20 by 3. Is this clear? 1 minute. Let me to check. 22 by 3. 1 into 8. Just a minute. See, m1 is 1, y2 is 8 plus m2 is 2 into y1. y1 is minus 2. Sorry. y1 is minus 2. Then 1 8s are 8. 1 8s are 8. Plus into minus is minus. 2 2s are 4. 8 minus 4 is 4 by 3. So the coordinates of C are C of x, y is 22 by 3, 4 by 3. Any doubts? Any doubts? This is the trisection formula. Okay. Now we have to find the coordinates of D. Now we are going to find the coordinates of D. That is again D of x comma y is equals to, same way, see, this is A, this is B, actually this was C and this was D, no, now this is my D. From A to D, how many parts? 2 parts. From here to here, 1 part. It means here M1 is to M2 is equals to 2 is to 1. Understood? Now substitute. That is 2 into 10 plus 1 into 6 by 2 plus 1, 2 into 8 plus 1 into minus 2 by 2 plus 1. 2 10s are 20, 1 6s are 6 by 3, 8 2s are 16 minus 2 by 3. Done. Then 20 plus 6, 26 by 3, 16 minus 2, 14 by 3. 3 ones are, in 3 tables it goes 26 by 3, no, 14 by 3, again it doesn't go. So keep it as it is. D of x comma y is equals to 26 by 3 by 26 by 3 comma 14 by 3. That's it. So we have found the values of C and D. Next question number 32. Construct a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point 9 cm away from its center. Come, let me solve this problem. Okay. That is question number 32. What was the question? They have given radius 4 cm and the distance they have given 9 cm from the center. So what you should do? Draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Let me say this is my center of the circle. From this center, take a point which is 9 cm. From here, take a line which is 9 cm away from the center. Let me say this is O. Let me say P is the point, external point. From O to P is 9 cm. Take OP more than half. Cut an arc. Again P is a point. Cut an arc. Join. Just I am cutting the arcs. Okay, let me say here. Joining. Let me say this is my midpoint M. Then take either OM as the radius or PM as the radius. M is the midpoint. Draw the bisecting circle. Just I am drawing roughly. What you have to draw accurately. Draw the bisecting circle. You will get a bisecting circle where this circle cuts this main circle. Mark this point. This is my P. This point is my Q. Then join AB. Let me take this is my A and this point is B. Join from A to P and B to P. Okay. Now as you can see, AP and BP are the required tangents, and also join O to A and also O to B. Now finally you can write the answer. Therefore PA and PB are the required tangents. This is the conclusion. So this is the procedure you have to follow. Done. Next question number 33. This is areas related to circles topic. In the figure ABCD figure is a square of side 14 cm with center A, B, C and D. 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally to 2 of the remaining 3 circles as shown in the figure. Find the area of the shaded region. As you can see, we have drawn a square which is of the length 14 cm. A, is the center of this circle, B is the center of this circle, C is the center of this circle, D is the center of this circle. As you can see, this A and B, this both are touching externally, even this both are touching externally. All the circles are touching externally except two circles, which are this circle and this circle is not touching. Again, this circle and this circles are not touching except these two circles. Rest all the circles are touching externally as shown in the figure. Find the area of the shaded region. As you can see, the area which is in between of these four touching circles, this area we have to find. Let me solve this problem. Question number 33. So they have given the sides of the square. Let me say A is the side which is of 14 centimeters. Now what we have to find? Area of the shaded region, right? For example, let me to draw a rough diagram here. So this was my actual circles. It was like this, right? Something it was like this. Now we are supposed to find this region, this shaded region we have to find, correct? And this centers. Okay, this is the square. Okay. Now first what we have to do, we have to find which area we have to find. That is area of shaded region is equals to, which is the area? First you take area of this square. Area of square minus area of square minus 4 times of area of quadrant. 4 times of area of, just a minute, I'll tell you. आपको ये region निकालना है. You have to remove this region. How you will remove this? Only this region, that is area of shaded region. Which is the area of the shaded region? How can you identify? First you find area of square. आपको क्या करना है? Area of square को निकालना है. First find it. From that area of square, remove. From this area of square, can you see this is the square? Can you see this area? Can you see this area? This area and this area. Means from this square area, from this square, first from this square area, remove this area. Then the area which is left out, this is the shaded region. That is what I am doing here. From area of square, remove 4 times of area of quadrant. Quadrant means this is one part of this circle. This part is one part. Can you see this? Which I have just put it the lines, that area. That is 4 times of area of quadrant. Area of quadrant of circle. Okay. Now how much is the area of square? First tell me. Area of square formula is side into side. That is 14 into 14. That is nothing but 196. That is 196 centimeter square. Now what is area of quadrant of circle? First you find this. Area of quadrant of a circle. What is the formula? What is the area of quadrant of a circle? Area of quadrant of a circle is how much? Area of quadrant of a circle is pi r square by 4. But here we have to find how many area of quadrants? 4 quadrants, right? So we write this as 4 into pi r square by 4. Understood? 4 times, right? Because we have 4 areas. Can you see this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into pi r square by 4. 4 get cancelled. 22 by 7 into radius. How much is the radius? How much is the radius? 22 by 7. Can you tell me? The radius is half of diameter. That is 7 centimeter. Diameter is 14. 14 by 2. Okay. that is 7 centimeter. That's nothing but 7 into 7. 7 get cancelled. 22 into 7 is 154 centimeter square. Therefore, area of shaded region is equals to 196 plus 154. So what we should do here, in area of the shaded region, right? So what is the area of square? In this square is 196 centimeter square. In this you remove area of this quadrant. Can you see this? The area which I have shaded this, you remove this area. This area is how much? 154. In 196, if you remove 154, the remaining part is 42 centimeter square. This is the area which is the shaded part. I hope you have understood this problem. Got it? Good. So now I hope you can solve this question number 34. Construct a triangle and solve graphically. You can draw this graph. This question number 36. This is related to applications of trigonometry. My dear students, before we could go for the next problem, I like to tell you one thing, that the admissions are opened in our coaching center, Evershine Coaching Center. The branches are located in Bangalore, Tannery Road and Shivajinagar. If any students are interested to join for a regular program, regular coaching classes, we do conduct classes from class 6 to class 12 standard, Karnataka State Board, CBSE Board and ICSE Board, and also we do conduct summer camp classes in the summer holidays like computer diploma courses, abacus, Vedic maths, phonics, calligraphy and handwriting courses, and classes for PUC, science, commerce and art stream. If any students are interested, you can contact to us on the below given contact numbers, and this is my WhatsApp number 9964257448. If you have any doubts or any query, you can contact to me. I'll let you know and I'll get back to your doubts. Okay. And one more important note, still if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, kindly do subscribe it and click the bell icon. After watching this complete video, share this video with your all friends and also with your classmates. Got it? And for the present batch, the students who are watching this video, for the present batch already we have started the crash course for Kannada, Math, Science and Social. If any students are interested to join for the crash course for the final revision of the entire syllabus, and we suggest you what to read and what not to read, and we do conduct regular testers, okay, and give you the very important questions. We track your performance and much more. If any of the students are interested, you can join for this free crash course program. It is completely free of cost, but you have to register your name by paying 1000 rupees for one subject for the complete crash course. The registration fee is one-time registration fee is 1000. You have to pay only one-time charges, 1000 rupees, and you can avail maximum opportunities. Now let me proceed further. Now this problem you can try. In case if you can't find these problems, I want 4 more questions you have to try. Okay. These 4 questions I am just giving to you people. Let you solve this. In case if you don't get any solution of any of these questions, you can get back to me. I'll solve those problems and I'll show you. Okay. I hope you have understood this class, and this class I believe it and I trust on you people that you have got the maximum benefit. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Wish you all the best of luck. Once again, don't miss any of our classes. Already we have pre-recorded many important topics, passing packages, scoring packages, etc. You can avail maximum benefit from our previous classes and also the classes which we are going to update in the future. Take care. I wish you a very best of luck for your upcoming exams and also for your future. Take care. Bye bye.